Hey freelancers, want to start earning on Upwork? First of all, you need to verify your account. In this quick guide, I will walk you through this I will walk you through the full Upwork verification process step by step. First of all, log into your Upwork account. If your account needs verification, you will usually see a notification at the top or in your messages. Click on the notification or go to Account Settings tab, Identity Verification, or find the verification settings from Profile Settings. Then Upwork will guide you to the verification page where you will see what documents are required. What documents are required. Upwork usually asks for a government issued photo ID like a passport, national ID, or driver's license. Make sure your name matches your Upwork profile exactly. Click Start Verification and upload a clear photo or scan of your ID. Ensure the text is readable and the image isn't cropped. Some users also need to do a video call with an Upwork agent. Don't worry, it's short and simple. You will just confirm your identity and maybe answer a question or two. After submitting everything, Upwork usually responds uh, within 24 hours. You will get a message or email when your account is verified. Don't use fake documents. Your account may get suspended. Make sure your webcam and mic work if you are doing a video call. Keep your information assistant across all platforms. So that's it. Your Upper account is now ready to shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.